been there?
I've never been. Yes, Lantaw and House of Lechon.
Yeah. One at a time.
One at a time, President. It's my honor to present you and the rest of your team in House of Lechon with this plaque given by the Michelin Guide for the distinction of being one of the select restaurants in Michelin. Congratulations.
Thank you for the Cebuanos and all our guests for the support. We'll continue to soar and provide you the best.
And this time, we're here to present the honor bestowed upon Lantaw, Compostela. As being
That's
one
your
of
district,
the,
right?
yes, it is the district of Cebu. One of the Michelin Select restaurants for 2026. Congratulations.
Thank you, Secretary Christina, for this. What an honor for Cebu. What an honor for Cebu. Thank you very much. Thank you. Kaon tabay. Pleasant surprise.
Yeah.
Well,